Hi guys, welcome back to another MD video. My name is Michael and today we are reinstalling the cold air intake on the Mazda MX5. And yes, this time it's a cold air intake, not a hot air intake. Stick around. Okay, so like I said, I am reinstalling the cold air intake on the MX5, but where the filter used to sit on the hot side of the engine the filter was right next to the headers and it was sucking in a lot of hot air, and that's no good. So we are moving the filter to the cold side of the engine and it's going to suck in a lot more cold air and perform a lot better. So let's get to it. So as you see here, I've already disconnected the breather hose from the crankcase and put on a breather filter. I just did that before the time to check that it fits because I had a different clamp I needed to put on here, but it's all sorted. I just disconnected the clamp and pulled the hose off, and now we are going to take off the hose over here, remove this little bracket, undo the clamp on the throttle body, undo the clamp over here, take off the box itself, and we are going to be disconnecting the MAF sensor. There's a plug over here, as well as the air intake temp sensor that's over here, and remove this whole piping, and then I'll get back to you and explain the rest. So the air filter is going to be basically sitting right here, where it's going to get a lot more colder air coming in on this side of the motor, going directly into the throttle body. As you can see on this side, where the filter used to be, it's right next to the headers and it's producing a lot of heat, sucking in hot air, which is not good. Now, if you're going to be relocating the filter, you need to take the MAF sensor with you, as well as the wires that go with it, the sensors plug, as well as the air intake temperature sensor. So you're probably going to have to split open this wiring right here that has the two sensor wires going into this, so you can flip it over and take this whole wiring with you to the other side. So now we have all our components ready. If you remember previously, we used to have a lot of piping that needed to go all the way around to get to where the filter was. Now all we need is a 90-degree silicone bend. We've got our MAF sensor, as well as the air intake temperature sensor, which we're going to insert into the silicone bend by just making a hole on the side, and it's going to go right inside and then into the filter. As simple as that. Okay, so that's basically all the components ready, so let's get it back onto the car. And there it is, install is done. Now we just got to put down the bonnet or the hood and check that it clears, everything's nice and sorted, and start the car, check that the sensors are working and everything's running fine, and then we are good to go. So before we take it for a test drive, this is a good time for you guys to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell, and if you feel like helping out the MD channel, check the donation link in the description down below. There it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. My name is Michael, and hopefully the MX5 will now breathe some cold air as it should. Until next time, I will see you guys on the next one. See ya.